Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to tear down your JBL Xtreme or your JBL Charge 3 the easiest way. So all you have to get is a scale and a star screwdriver right here. Okay, so let's begin. Get the scale and look for the right part of your speaker. Okay, this one. Get the screwdriver . There you have it guys. So let's begin with the JBL Charge 3. There you have it. Okay, so there you have it guys. I would say do not play with the speakers right over here. If you pop it inside, it's really difficult to take it back out. So I would say do not play with these. So don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button guys. And thank you for